The moment I give you my capital to trade is the moment you become a more intelligent trader. You do stupid things with your money. You have a greater right with your money. You can be reckless with your money. No one's going to tell you not to do that. But with my capital, there are guidelines, there are restrictions. And then there's that will of yours not to want to disappoint me. You are held to a higher standard with someone else's money. You become more alert. You take things more seriously. You trade better. This is one of the hidden secrets on Wall Street. Why do you think a billionaire starts a hedge fund and then opens the doors for more billionaires to put money in? Does he need it? No. It's because he knows, I'm going to put a couple billion of my own money here, but I want it mixed with other people's money because I'm held to a higher standard when it's mixed with other people's money. All right? Trading, many traders who have the ability to fund their own accounts do not trade with their own money. Again, it's that wealth consciousness. Why put my money at risk? Okay, I have to give a little piece of the profits. Oh, that's the other thing. That was the other dumb question. But, of course, you have to give up a little piece of the profits to the person who is funding you. But that is not a loss, that is a gain. So this is a perfect segue into my final dumb question, right? Which is, but Oliver, I don't want, will I have to pay you forever? I don't want to have to pay you forever. I don't want to have to share with you forever. But here's the thing. It is probable, it is not a guarantee, it's probable that I have more than you. If you are coming to me, I probably have more capital than you have. Which means that if you have to give me 20%, let's say, as an example, if you have to give me 20% and you get 80%, and you get to a place where, wow, I'm sharing 20% of my gains with Oliver, but I'm using his money. If I use all of my money, I can have 100% of the gains. But then what if I double your account? So let's say you were trading with $1 million and you're earning 80%, right? You're earning 80%. And I'm earning 20% for funding you and teaching you. And you're thinking about putting your own $1 million in and trading for 100%. The better move would be to come for $2 million and now make 80% on that. And so this is how I retain my traders, that they go up the scale and they trade beyond the money that they currently have for themselves. And that is worth giving up 20 or 30, in some cases even 40%. Sometimes 80% of a, well, not sometimes, 80% of a larger number is better than 100% of a smaller number. 80% of $1 million is a lot better than 80% of $100. It's simple math. No one in this business on the professional side trades with their own money. No one. Think about that. No one. They have some up as security, of course, they have to. But they're using leverage, which means another fancy way of saying they're using someone else's money. All right? $50,000 is not $5 million, so I'm using someone's money. All right. But I'm not using my own $5 million. And that's the way to expand and grow at a higher capacity than your own assets will allow if you use your own assets 100%. Yes, do you have to be skillful? Yes. Do you have to be educated? Yes. Do you have to be mindful of the risks of leverage? Of course. Do you have to be skilled? Of course. Leverage comes after skill. Before skill, no leverage. Right? You don't want to leverage the novice. Oh my God, the novice is bad enough with just being him. Why would you want to expand the novice? Leverage expands who you are. Leverage increases who you are. We don't increase novicehood. We increase mastery. We increase skill. We leverage skill. The same way in business, if you have this successful restaurant, you leverage it but you this successful restaurant, and you have to turn 30% of the audience away because you never have a table. You need to leverage your success a little bit more. Build another one, or buy the building next door and expand the restaurant. Add more tables, add more chairs. You expand success. You expand skill. You expand progress. You leverage mastery. But if a trader is novice, the last thing they need is leverage, because the last thing you want to do is give more rights and ability to novicehood. All right, you follow what I'm saying, guys? Let me see if I can get you here on this line here. I don't even see you anymore. But I hope I hope you understand what I'm saying here.